Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Simple Natural Hairstyle, okay, I have this top bun situation type style for y'all. So to start off, what I'm going to do here, as you can see, my hair has been thinning at the edges, okay, and that's a whole nother video on its own, right? There's been a bit of a situation with my hair. So I wanted a top bun, but I also wanted a style that would still cover, those little bald spots that I have at the front of my head. And so this hairstyle was I believe was perfect for what I was trying to achieve. So to start off, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the perimeters of my hair. My hair was already kind of brushed out, but I think it's always good practice to brush the perimeters of your hair. And then I'm gonna go through and just pack the hair and push it forward a bit more, sitting on the crown of my head. I'm gonna put my hair on a ponytail, and what I noticed was that the hairs at the back of my hair wouldn't fit. My hair is kind of a medium. I wouldn't say medium. My hair is pretty short, right? A bit too short for all of the hairs that are towards the nape of my neck to fit into the bun. So my first thought was to use a bobby pin. Now, after using the bobby pin, as you can see, like the before and after using the bobby pin to kind of just keep those flyaways in place, while it did keep the flyaways in place, because I didn't necessarily want the flyaways sticking out too much, but at the same time, this is a no gel, super natural frizzy type of hairstyle. And so although I was trying to tame the flyaways, I didn't like the look of those bobby pins showing, you know what I mean? So I just decided to take it off and spend some time brushing the hair some more. And so moving forward, I'm going to add this hair. This is the expression hair. I love using this hair as a form of just added volume to my natural hair, because it blends seamlessly with my natural hair. The texture is perfect and it's just fun. As you can see, I'm having fun just putting it on my head. The movement alone of the hair is just it's bouncy, it moves, it's so nice, and the curl is perfect. The texture of the hair is perfect for me whenever I'm looking for just added volume to my hair. So here I'm just going through to figure out how I want the bangs to fall. I want to create bangs. That was the solution I came up with, to cover the bald spots and the thinning areas around my edges, right? So and that's why the bangs are falling more towards my right hand side, because of that little bald spot. So I'm just going through and picking at the hair. I didn't want the bangs too thick, so I have to reduce the hair strands that would be included in the bang. Once I felt like I was satisfied with the look, right, in terms of the volume that I was getting for my bangs, I just went ahead and pushed the rest of the hair backward, and then wrap the extensions around my natural hair, and then just pin in. And after that, I just decided to, pin the ends of the extensions. And there you have it. It's a very, very simple hairstyle. Like I said, I didn't want to add gels. I like the frizzy look, although I didn't want it too frizzy. But you can always definitely add more gels, or maybe even use bobby pins like I used earlier to tame the frizz and help your hair kind of stay in place and not stick out so much. But here is the final look, y'all. Come on, get into it. Look at the bang. The bang is banging. Okay. Loved how it came out. I think if your hair length is like mine, don't be afraid, to put your hair in, to try these types of hairstyles that requires you to, put your hair in super high buns. There's always a solution to it. And honestly, look, I'm all about embracing the supernatural look. You know what I mean? Our hair is naturally frizzy and all of the things, and I think it's beautiful to embrace it all. I just want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you try the style, and if you did, please let me know. Comment below, give me feedback, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, bye.